In this quick demo, we'll show you how to use CreamSoda's practice management solution. We will show you how to set up and update your profile so your clients see your best side while booking an appointment with you. To begin, navigate to the Profile Management page. Click on your name in the top right corner of the screen to reveal the drop-down menu. Then click on My Profile to open your profile page. Let's start by setting a profile picture. Hover over the placeholder image or your existing profile picture. Click on the camera icon at the bottom. This will open the upload dialog. Choose your desired image. Click Open to update your picture. Next, let's add your designation to your name. Click on the small wrench icon in the top right corner of the profile page to enable editing. Go to the last name field and add your designation such as RMT after your last name separated by a comma. You can also update your professional title in the title field, for example, massage therapist. Now let's update your bio in the bio field. Provide a brief description about yourself. This is where you can introduce your skills, experience, or anything else you'd like clients to know. Don't forget to set your current time zone so your appointments reflect accurate times for you and your clients. Once you've made all the necessary updates, click the Save button at the bottom of the page. Your changes will now be reflected on your appointment booking page, helping you put your best foot forward for your clients. That's it. Updating your profile on CreamSoda is quick and easy. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy using our practice management solution to simplify your workflow and grow your practice.